Days of the week. The days of the week are a fundamental part of our calendar system, helping us organize and schedule our activities. In English, the days of the week are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Understanding the days of the week is essential for scheduling appointments, planning events, and discussing recurring activities. They provide a framework for organizing our lives and ensuring effective communication when discussing time-related matters. It's important to note that the ordering of the days of the week may vary depending on cultural conventions. In many Western countries, the week starts with Sunday, while in some other regions, it begins with Monday.